Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Nina and this is Under My Mask. If you've been here before, you know that some days I talk about my weight loss and some days I talk about unboxing or reviews or anything else. And today we are going to talk about unboxing, and it is from Wish. So let's see what I got today. So, Wish. As we all know, Wish can be good or it can be not so good. And I'm going to show you what I got. I got a mixture of clothes and some outdoor LED lights to make it look a little bit prettier outdoors. I'm a big fan of solar lights because I don't want wires everywhere, and I also think that it's nice to be able to use what nature can give you, and that is sun, of course. It will charge the lights up and then it will keep shining throughout the night. Hopefully, we're in the wrong time of year right now, so it's not the most sunny outside, but hopefully daylight is going to give it a little bit of a boost. We'll see. I'm going to start, and the problem, as you can see, I got loads of things here. The problem with Wish is that you get them from all different places. Normally China and Asia over there. But they don't come in one package. They come in lots of different little packages. So I've been trying to wait till they all arrived. And I hope they all arrived now. I think they have. So let's start. Let's start with this little box. And you can see what it is on the outside. So of course, when you've got a garden, even if you just got a balcony, that doesn't matter. You want to make it a little bit pretty, and during these dark months of the year, it's really nice to have something out there. So I got this solar lantern, and this one you can, of course, you can put it anywhere. I see straight away that it's, can you see that it's all bent? I'm going to pop the prices up as well so you can see what they cost. Oh, that was sad. But then again, I guess coming from China, wherever they are from, Asia, let's say Asia, that's easier. They travelled a long way. So you got the little sun catcher up here. And normally you have the battery and stuff in here as well. Let's open and see. Yeah. So if you want to, you could actually put a candle in there as well, if this stops working. This will not be charged now, so... Oh, it is. Or not. There we go. Of course, it is... it's a sensor in there to know when it's evening or not. So it's not going to shine right now. But that's quite pretty. It's got butterflies on it. And except for that little bump there, I thought it was quite cute. Next item. Oh, this was fun. It made me laugh when they arrived. I saw something and I thought, oh wow, they're cool actually, and maybe I can try them for Halloween. And they look really nice, and I thought, do I really believe that they're going to look like that? Oh well, you know, I have to take a chance, like everything. So these are my amazing wings. See? They're supposed to be really pretty angel wings, and I'm going to put them on later on to show you what they look like. They got straps here, so you can put them on, and they're elastic, so hopefully they will fit even me. But yeah, they're cute. Not what I expected, but hey ho, that's how it is. next thing, and now my girls walked in as well, so I'm going to be a bit distracted if you're wondering what I'm looking at. Next thing. Ah, okay. I've been waiting for these. They are solar lights as well. As you can see here. You pop them on the building and then at night they shine. And we'll make some pretty lights, hopefully, in the garden. I will put all of these up and I will show you in the evening when they're lit up so you can see what they are. But these actually come in a pack of, I think there are 8 in there. Perfect. See?
What are we going to use them for?
Outside. Okay, next thing, another solar light. And this one I actually planned on putting right next to our front door because I thought that was really pretty and it could... Hello, Lou, you interested? Hello. Yeah, and you know she always have to be in my video, so here she is again. Hello, Lou. First birthday. I thought that was really nice actually. You've got the little solar panel up there. It's a bit wonky, it's a bit crooked, but that's nice. Perfect. Now for the fun stuff.
Oh god.
When you buy clothes from Wish, you never ever ever know if they're going to fit you or not. And that's not going to fit. I can see that straight away. But I thought it was quite funny actually.
Wait, a day without a coffee is like, I'm just kidding. It can fit me when I'm older.
And then we have this one I've been looking forward to, but I think that it will be absolutely impossible for me to wear it because it's going to be too small. Because this one I thought was really, really pretty. Oh, it might work.
As a crop top.
It's got a little hood on it. The colours are really nice and it's really comfortable.
I never knew you liked hoodies.
And the last thing, it was supposed to be for summer, obviously, and hopefully I can wear this next summer. Look! I thought that really worked for me. I am not old, I'm a classic, see?
You sure about that?
Yes. My girls are laughing at me right now. I don't know why. This was everything from Wish today, and Lou. She's trying to eat my lantern. I'm not having that.
Goodbye.
Wish is a lottery, to be honest. It might be really good. It might be less good. It might be a bit wonky. It might be not the best quality, but you do not spend that much money. So go and have a look if you want to, and don't forget to subscribe to me. Leave a comment. Which one did you like the best of all of these things? And also give me a like and hit the little bell.
It's that little bell. Hi.
So we'll see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye for now.
Bye.